We got our peppers cleaned out. There's a seed or two still in there. They ain't gonna hurt nothing. And just take your knife and however much cheese you want in there, just slice it off your block of cream cheese. And then you can just smash it down in there. And it'll lay right down in the pepper. And when that melts, it just sits in there like a little trough. So we'll get the rest of these filled up, then we'll come back, put the ham in them and cover them with shredded cheese, and they'll go in the oven. Got some diced ham here. I'll just go in there, lay some pieces in the cheese, push it down a little bit. Don't have to do a lot, do as little or as much as you want. But I find I like this better than the bacon, but I only like bacon if it's crispy, so. Then it doesn't get the grease and all that you get if you was to do this on bacon. If I was doing this on the grill, bacon would probably be alright because the grease will drain off. But cooking it in the pan in the oven, the grease has no place to go. And then you got soggy peppers. We'll get these done, cover them in some shredded cheese. Got the oven preheated to 350 degrees, or 375. And it'll depend on if you want your peppers soft, you'll leave them in there longer. If you don't mind them being crunchy, we'll check them about 30 minutes. I don't like mine real soft, but I don't want them completely raw, so 30 to 40 minutes probably be about where we'll pull them out at. There we got the diced ham in. We're going to cover these with shredded cheese. Get ready to slide them in the oven. We just pulled our jalapeno peppers out of the oven. They was in there 35, 40 minutes. They look plenty done to us, so we're gonna eat them like they are.